Welcome back to Welding with Grandad. It's Thursday afternoon, I'm in the garage, tacking these, it's heavy gauge this, 1 inch square or 25mm square, 2mm thick. I'm tacking this up with the Katia cordless. And boy is it strange this stuff when you first strike up after months. I thought I'd forgotten how to weld. But I'm going to tack this up and then show you what it looks like the other side, because there's quite large gaps. And I've done one and I was quite surprised with how well it handled it. So I'm going to pause you, and what I'll do, I'll tack them up, turn it over, and then edit it so it's sped up, and then you can look at gaps and results. It's not going to be pretty, but it's all being ground off. So, catch you later. Right, following on, just had a bit of a job with that to break it and everything. There's one gap. There's my finger. There's another gap. And there's another one. I'm going to have fun with this. So, I haven't got into my records of what currents I use, but I'm at 15.4 volts, 46 amps. I might lower it down. Bottom shop's 14, I think. I'll try that. I'll leave it at 40. See how that goes. Right, see it at the other end of the tunnel. That's no good.